Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to recreate the Samurai Warrior poster in Canva. So this is action movies poster. To redesign it, we can select new page, then find full moon in a dark sky or night sky. Now resize it on the page, so make it clear. Now search Samurai Warrior. Then go to graphics. You can find the same Samurai Warrior here. Now select it and drag it to your poster. So now what's next? Go to search bar and search gray abstract smoke effect. You can find lot of smoke effects here. Select it and then drag it to your poster. Resize it. Now rotate the smoke and then bring it to back. Now add text box and write Samurai. The font is Asing and its font size is 88.6. Then write Warrior and its font size is 191 with the same font effect. Now add text at the top of its poster and its text effect is Poppins and its text size is 23.9. Now search Sharp Glass and change its color to red. Resize it according to your specifications. Now add tagline text. Its font size is 32.2 and text is Poppins. Here I am resizing the background and now add the paragraph text. Its font is Antonio Light and its size is 24. As its movie promotion poster, so write it coming soon with the text Asing and its size is 12. Now add your website or your any contact information in the bottom of your poster. Background is not matching, so search it again. Full moon in the night sky and you can find your results here. So this is a dark gray simple Samurai Warrior action movies promotion poster. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.